Hello everyone and welcome as we explore this stunning Carote 25-piece ceramic cookware set. These beautiful taupe pans are completely free from harmful chemicals like PFOA and PFOS for safer cooking. The ultra-nonstick coating ensures that your food slides right off and makes cleaning up incredibly fast. You will enjoy perfectly even heat distribution across the durable die-cast aluminum base for consistent results. This massive set includes various frying pans, stock pots, and saucepans to handle any recipe you imagine. You also get a steamer, a 4-piece utensil set, and 6 pan protectors for easy organization. Upgrade your kitchen today with this durable collection that offers a full replacement guarantee for total confidence. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.